Some people have a small machine running in their garage, making money while they sleep. These machines often cost less than what you'd spend on a single weekend trip. Most people look for a genius idea, but the real winners look for a boring machine. Nugget ice machine. High demand from cafes, low competition. 2. Automatic cotton candy. Perfect for parks and festivals. 3. Retro popcorn cart. Rented out for weddings and events. 4. Rolled ice cream. Visual appeal makes it go viral on TikTok. 5. Bean-to-cup coffee. 80% gross profit per cup. 6. Ice pop machine. A gold mine for hot climates. 7. Belgian waffle maker. Best sold at morning weekend markets. 8. Automatic churros. It forms and fries them on its own. 9. Slushy frozen drink dispenser. Put it in existing shops and split the profit. 10. Hot dog roller. Don't just sell the machine, sell the sausages and buns too. 11. Small CO2 laser cutter. You're selling personalization, not just wood. 12. Mini UV flatbed printer. Print logos directly on phone cases and mugs. 13. Sublimation and heat press. The cheapest entry into custom goods. 14. Computerized embroidery for local mechanics, restaurants, and clinics. 15. Sheet metal bender. Small-scale parts for construction contractors. 16. Desktop plastic injection. Create rare spare parts for hobbyists. 17. Automatic candle making. Candles sell based on scent and the story behind them. 18. Soap making machine. Pairs perfectly with the candle business. 19. Resin/filament 3D printer for tabletop gaming and miniatures. 20. Vinyl cutter. Signs and decals for local storefront windows. 21. Portable industrial pressure washer. Mobile car and house washing. 22. Sofa and carpet extractor. Work with real estate agents for move-out cleans. 23. Floor polisher. Offer after-hours services to malls and offices. 24. Portable air compressor. The base tool for mobile mechanics. 25. Mobile tire balancer. Save your customers time by going to them. 26. Cardboard shredder. Turn waste into raw material for recycling plants. 27. Cold press oil expeller. Natural coconut or avocado oil. 28. Automatic egg incubator for organic chicken and egg farming. Number 29. Industrial food dehydrator. High-margin fruit chips and beef jerky. 30. Vacuum sealing machine. The most important machine on this list. It increases shelf life and can boost your product's value by 40%. Mistake 1. Ignoring hidden costs like shipping, customs, and insurance. Mistake 2. Buying the cheapest model for everyday use. Mistake 3. Operating without checking local permits and laws. Mistake 4. Focusing only on the first sale. Meet Daniel. He analyzed the market first, then bought his machine. Meet Alex. He bought the most expensive printer first, and it's now gathering dust. The golden formula: find the problem first, then buy the solution. My name is Zehnni. Subscribe to build the wealth no one talks about.